you lovelies, I'm gonna make something really tasty today. Something that I've been having since I was a tiny girl, and something I've been having a lot actually, and I'm of course talking about chocolate custard. Oh my god, I can't wait for it. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. It's really simple and you're going to be quite addicted to it, I guarantee you that. For the chocolate custard, which is actually so tasty, I can't wait for this actually. Homemade chocolate custard is so simple and you really only need a few things. It could be that your kids might like it a little bit sweeter than I do. I use a dark chocolate, now minimum 70%. Now you could also go for a milk chocolate. The custard will just go a little bit more milky and lighter in colour, but I go for the darker one. And I'm just going to quickly blitz it up so that it incorporates really nicely. And then we're going to go with the rest of the ingredients. I use whole milk. You could actually use any milk you like. You could use almond milk, plant-based milk, absolutely no problem. It just gets a bit more creamier when you use whole milk. Then I drop in an egg. I don't go with the egg yolks for this one. With a normal vanilla custard, I go with egg yolks because I want it to be nice and yellow. With this one's absolutely fine. You just need the egg to make it a little bit more smooth and bind it together. And then I go for coconut sugar instead of any normal caster sugar. It caramelizes really well with the chocolate and creates this really lovely, deeper chocolate flavor. It's almost a little bit malty, so it makes it really nice. But you could also use any other coconut and raw sugar, brown sugar, caster sugar, anything that you like. And some corn flour for thickness. Corn flour, cornstarch, same thing, so just add that one in. Make sure you add all of it. And then we're going to turn this guy on. So simple, isn't it? And you could add in a tiny bit of chili if you wanted to make it a little bit more, or you could add in a tiny bit of espresso powder. There's like instant espresso powder you can buy, or some coffee granules if you want to make it a little bit more of a coffee type thing. Then maybe be a bit careful serving that to the kids in the evening because you might end up not sleeping in the end. But we're going to turn this on and I can't wait for custard, and I'm going to show you what that looks like when it's finished. I just heard that beautiful sound, the sound of the Thermomix when it's done, and it tells me I'm ready to eat custard, so I'm ready to eat custard. It looks absolutely beautiful. It smells really amazing. It's about, the texture is about right for me. You might like your custard even thicker, in which case you add a little bit more corn flour, maybe a teaspoon more. I quite like it like that. If you like it thinner and more like a sauce, you'll halve the amount of corn flour that you use in this recipe. I'm gonna pop it right into the bowl because I want to eat it. I'm actually dancing with happiness because it's just so nice. It's got, for me, it's got the perfect consistency, and you could add in raspberries or any other berries that you like. We could just spoon it as it is. I quite like cold custard too. Am I weird for that? But I actually really like it too. But this is hot as it can get, and I'm gonna try it because obviously you guys want to know what it's like. And it's just got, it's just so tasty. It's got the perfect consistency for me. It's, This custard is so good. You're gonna need to try that. I think if you like it quite sweet, with the dark chocolate obviously it's a little bit more bitter, you can add a bit more sugar to it. I tend to do that after I've cooked it because individual tastes differ, and sometimes people might like it a bit sweeter and some people like it a little bit less sweet. So just pop a little bit of sugar on the table and let them spoon it over if they like it, or just have a bit of fresh fruit with it. But I'm gonna keep spooning this one, and I can't wait for you to make it actually because it's gonna be so nice. And I'll see you guys next time for another video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna enjoy this now. Bye bye.